We have 4 plus 3 to the power of 0 times 6. 4 plus 3 to the power of 0 equals 0 and times 6. Now 4 plus 0 equals 4 times 6. Right? Now 4 times 6 equals 24. But this is wrong. Why? Because multiplication must be done before addition, right? But here is 0. And 3 to the power of 0 is not equal to 0. 3 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Right? So 4 plus 3 to the power of 0 equals 1 times 6. Now multiplication must be done before addition. So 4 plus 1 times 6 equals 6. Now 4 plus 6 equals 10.